Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chicago O'Hare International Airport, where the local time is approximately 8:14. Please note the 3-hour time change from English. We ask that you remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened until we have reached the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, you may collect your carry-on items. Be careful when opening the overhead bins, as items may have shifted during flight, and be sure to check the area around your seat for any other personal belongings you may have stashed. You may exit through the forward left door. That's the same door which you entered. If you are making a connection here in Chicago, TV monitors inside the terminal will display up-to-date departure time and gate information. If you need any assistance, just see a uniformed customer service agent in the gating area. You may now use your cell phones, provided they are within reach. You may claim your checked bags in the baggage claim area of the terminal. We know your time is valuable, that's why we're the only airline to offer a baggage service guarantee. If your bags have not arrived on the carousel within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate, just see a customer service agent for compensation. On behalf of all the employees of Alaska Airlines, it's been our privilege to serve you today. We hope you enjoyed your flight. We look forward to serving you again soon. For all of your future travel plans, please visit us anytime online at alaskaair.com. Once again, we've enjoyed having you on our flight today, and we hope you have a lovely day here in Chicago or wherever your travels may take you. Welcome.